Hello everyone, this is the second stop on our field trip to robotic companies. We've arrived at Guangzhou LEADER Robotics Co. Limited. Hello, Mr. Liu. Today, we have invited Mr. Liu to introduce us to the features of LEADER Robotics products.
Hello everyone, I am Liu Kang from Guangzhou LEADER Robotics. Today, I will briefly introduce our products that are popular in the market. The first product we have here is used by restaurants such as Haidilao Guangzhou Restaurant and AGIC Restaurant. This product addresses the delivery needs of daily restaurant operations. And its key feature is that it can operate without human intervention, achieving autonomous delivery. This reduces the workload of restaurant staff, especially the delivery personnel. For example, a 500 square meter restaurant typically requires 7 to 10 waiters. With our product, the number of staff can be reduced by at least 30%, requiring just 5 people and 3 to 4 robots. The core competitiveness of LEADER lies in the fact that our products are available for both sale and lease. The leasing model stands out in the current robot market because it's flexible. First, the leasing payment is monthly without a deposit, and our after-sales service standard is very strict. We guarantee a 10-minute online response time and an on-site visit within 24 hours to resolve any issues. Thus, this product is very popular in the leasing market. Next, I'll introduce our second product, another type of delivery robot. This product is used by companies like Maxim's Catering Limited, Kafta Coral, and well-known Sichuan and Chongqing hotpot brands like Haidilao. This robot is called Bella Pro. In addition to delivery, it can also promote restaurant dishes and services through video ads, so customers can see our restaurant's signature dishes and meal combos at first glance. The next product I'll introduce is the Qinghong T3, a bestseller this year in large Cantonese restaurants. This product features an automatic door and an interior structure that perfectly matches the needs of Chinese and Cantonese cuisine. Its tray size is the largest in the industry, making it the most popular and well-liked product in Chinese restaurants. Apart from delivery robots for the restaurant industry, LEADER also provides products for other customer needs. For example, we offer automatic cleaning robots like CC1 and manual cleaning robots like SH1. These products help solve cleaning challenges in restaurants, including automatic cleaning or cleaning hard-to-reach areas like corners. These products are also used for large area cleaning in places like Sichuan Chongqing region hotpot restaurants, Hunan cuisine, or office buildings. Finally, I'd like to introduce our clever delivery robot, which is primarily used for industrial delivery.